Ref, blow the whistle in the other game. I need to get my clean sheet points. Hashtag need that. It was so funny because Kariwe looked like he was being filmed in 4K and Nerdy looked like his webcam was an iPhone 4. Yeah, I know. I know. It's a sad one. Nerdy's aura transcends the camera. There's. But LCQ is done. LCQ is over. And what an LCQ it was. There's a lot of drama going on with ranked. A lot of drama going on with ranked at the moment, but I'm gonna keep myself out of it because I'm not HR. I'm not human resources. I'm not the person that needs to worry about that. I'm just the analysis guy. My beautiful morning paper ranked chord. Yeah. I couldn't be asked to read it this morning, man. Couldn't be asked to read it this morning. This is what you get. NGStarrank.com/stats, there it is. These were my predictions yesterday, by the way, that I made. I made these predictions. Aquacord in number 1, Steez in 2, Yo Jacko in 3, Nemerald in 4, Strid and Skycrab just miss out, HDMI cables, Chris, Pavkin, and Wolf Doggo all make the top 10. I wasn't that far. I wasn't that far off. I feel like my picks were not terrible. I feel like my picks were not a terrible call. Pavkin finished in 14th. Strid also finished in 14th, which is just outside where I put them. I obviously put them 9th and 5th. It's not too terrible. Wolf Doggo did finish exactly 10th. Very good call from me.